Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 30th of July 2021. So today I am going to explain what is hash map and hash tree map in Java. So today we will cover what is hash map, then the parameters of hash map, and then some constructor used in hash map. Then we will move to hash hash tree map. What there we will see what is hash tree map, and then we will cover various operation in hash tree map. So let us start with what is hash map in Java. So basically hash map in Java is a part of Java collection. Since since java since java 1.2 since Java 1.2, this class is found in Java util package. Java util pack. It provides the base the basic implement of the map interface of Java. It stores the data. It stores the data in value key value pairs, and you can access them by an index or another type, that is example and value integer value. One object is used as a key and the other object is used value as a value. If you try to insert the duplicate key, if you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element by the new key. It will replace the element by the current key or the new key. Hash map is similar to hash table, but hash map is non-synchronized. It allows to store the null keys. It allows to store the null null keys, but there can be only one null key option, and there can be any number of null values. This class makes no guarantee as this class makes no guarantee as to the order of the map. To use this class and its method, you need to import Java util hashmap package or its superclass. So the parameters of the hash maps are followed below. The first one is the type of keys maintained by the map, and the second one is the type of map values. So now we will see some constructor used in hash maps are. First one is hash map constructor. This constructor is without any parameter. It is the default constructor which creates an instance of hash map with an initial capacity of 16 and load factor 0.75. The next constructor is hash map int initial capacity. This constructor in hash map intends with a specific initial capacity and load fact of 0.75. The next is hash map in capacity and float load. It creates a hash map intends with a specific initial capacity and specific initial load. The last constructor used in the hash map is hash map, which is whose data type is map and variable is also map. We can give variable as map or anything. It creates an instance of hash map with same mapping as specific map. So let us move on to hash tree map. So basically a tree map in Java is used to implement map interface and navigative navigatable map along with the abstract class. The map is sorted ascending to the natural order of its keys or by a comparator provided at map creation time, depend on which construct co- depend on which constructor is used. This provides to be an effective way to sorting and storing the keys and values pairs. The sorting order maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equals, just like any other sorted map. Ir- just like any other sorted map, irrespective of the explicit comparators. Now let us see various operations in tree map. So first operation is adding elements. In order to add element to tree map, we use put method. We can use the put method. However, insert how the insertion order is not written in the tree map internally for every element. The keys are compared and sorted in the ascending order. Now the second is changing element operation. After adding the element in after adding the element, if you want to change the element, it can be done again by adding the element with the put method. Since the element in the tree map indexing using keys, the value of the key can be changed by simply inserting the new key by simply inserting the new value for the key for which we want to change. The next operation is remove element. Remove element operation. In order to remove element from the tree map, we can use the remove method. remove method Now next is iterating through the tree map. This is the last operation of the tree map, that is iterating through the tree map. So there are multiple ways to iterate through the tree map. So uh, a tree map is an effective way of sorting and storing the keys values and pairs. The sorting order maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equals, just like any other sorted map, irrespective of the explicit comparators. So it should be in a proper way. So this is all about uh, hash tree map. So today we have covered what is hash map and hash tree map. In that we have seen some operations used in tree hash tree map, and in the hash map we have see the parameters of hash map and the constructors used in the hash map. So that's it. Thank you.